This is a 1969 Daytona, and one of the features I want to point out deals with the brakes, master cylinder and booster. So this has been properly finished. You can see the red anodizing on the Corbin clamps. See the KB 11/32. That's all proper. You can see the cap is only, it's an original cap. Something else I want to point out, hopefully we can see this, is this is a true assembly line piece. As you can see, you'll always find manufacturing information stamped on the side of the master cylinder. Continuing over to the intake manifold side, nipple is unpainted. You can see the anodized clamp, and you can see that there is no paint over the hole. In the factory, there was a piece of tape that was put over that when the engine was sprayed, and then it was removed to keep the threads pure and clean.